Hi Bochomi and welcome kule vlog lena. Ningakhohlwa ukulike, ukusubscribe, ukuklicka that notification bell ukuthi njalo uma ngiposta nibe verified. Guys, please niphinde ni-share i-live guys ne. Namhlanje ngenza ama-popcorn guys. Besibhorekile so I decided ukuthi ngenza ama-popcorn salt and vinegar guys. Yep. So lana ke singiqalile ke ngiyayenza ke ngiyafuthumeza amafutha wami guys. Yo wena nganti ningasho ukuthi like la ku social media like kunamabhuli guys. Why ningasho? Oh into bengikwata yona izolo guys. Into bengikwata yona Peter ngingena ku live, mangena ku live ngiyangena ngiyixoxela okay la ngiphaphele. Azangiphaphele mara ngamkhola into order guys but nje as life ye social media ay inzima shem kunabobhuli la ngaphandle. Okay guys, la sengiqedile yonke into isiphashash seng-add vinegar ngenza salt and vinegar guys. Bekamnandi kanjani? Thanks for watching guys. Ngakhohle phela click that notification bell, ulike, usubscribe, ufollow, uphinde ushare i-vlog yami guys ne. Ngiyanicela please.